Hello, my name is Mrs Secker and I'm Curriculum Leader for English. In English, for GCSE, we study two separate exams. The first exam is English Language, and that consists of two papers. Paper 1, which is based on fiction, and Paper 2, which is based on non-fiction. The first exam, Paper 1, is in 2021 on the 26th of May. For English Literature, it is the same. There are also two examinations, Paper 1 and Paper 2, and the first exam for English Literature is on the 7th of June 2021. There are some slight changes this year for English Literature because of COVID-19, and that means that students at Whitley Academy will not be studying the poetry element of the exam. They will, however, still do unseen poetry. For students to be successful in English Language and in English Literature, they need to make sure that they attend intervention when it's on. They also need to make sure that they complete their homework on time, and the homework timetable is on the website. The final thing that students need to do is to make sure that they are actively revising. So using the revision guides and the past papers that they have been given and actually practicing questions, but also in their revision guide, not just reading the information that is there, but highlighting it, turning it into flashcards, turning it into posters, something that they are actively actually doing where they're writing and the information is going through their brain so that they can use the cards then to revise. As parents, you can help with students' success by encouraging them to attend intervention and reminding them when they have got homework that it needs to be completed. But then, crucially, especially for English Literature, as parents, you can test your child on the revision notes that they have made. So if they have got flashcards, encourage them to write questions on one side and answers on the back, and then test them on those literature texts that we study. The literature texts that we study are An Inspector Calls, Macbeth and Christmas Carol, and then unseen poetry. Finally, some useful websites where students can find information and also to do some more active revision. The BBC Bitesize website is good for English and for literature, because on that website there are little tests that students can take, they can watch videos, read information, and then they can test themselves on what they have learned. Another good place for revision videos is YouTube. Mr Brough, so in YouTube if you search for Mr Brough, Macbeth, or Mr Brough on An Inspector Calls, those videos are brilliant for revising the different texts and the different characters and the plot within them. Thank you.